Hello friends, today we will talk about Gulag project and we will also tell you how to buy Gulag token in the last of the video. Its price is $0.0001928, BTC is 42.5% high, BNB is 40% high, and its circulating supply is around 500 trillion coin, and its website is gulagtoken.com. Its blockchain is Binance Smart Chain. This is contract address, and we can join on Twitter, Telegram and other social media. After that we will enter $1 here, and in $1 we are getting around 517 million Gulag coin. After that we will come down, and this is its chart. This chart is continuously increasing and its trading volume is around $84,000. After that we will open its website and click on gulagtoken.com. I have already opened this website. Welcome to the Gulag. The Gulag team strives to provide a secure and user-friendly system to help and liberate people from their financial Gulag. Features and a locked liquidity, locked DEV wallet and fair launch makes this a safe way to ensure passive income. As a Gulag holder, we strive to create a fun, easy way for people to understand crypto and invest in themes while helping other along way. Gulag token is a project created and developed by the Gulag community. That means Gulag team strive to provide a secure and user-friendly system to help liberate the people or financial Gulag, and this project is a fair launch, 100% community owned and safe on rug proof tokenomics, secure, verified, contract audited, and this coin audited by Desert Swap.finance and setting new standards. Gulag token is developed by a team of crypto enthusiasts who believed everybody deserved a second chance at a financial freedom. Locked liquidity pool, live streamed charity donation and a fair launch make this a safe way to earn passive income just by holding. And 500 trillion original supply, 15% tax on transaction, industry leading 11% tax reflection, 4% added to liquidity pool, and 7.5% initial token supply reserved, 2/3 reserved token invested by into financing, DApp and marketing, 1/3 reserved tokens invested into locked charity wallet live stream donation and tokenomics. 15% transaction cost with an 11% reflection means more tokens in your wallet. 4% liquidity pool creates a stronger inheritance value for a new investor. Rewards, 11% reflection is among the highest currently available in any reflection token on market. Charity, 2.5% of initial supply is reserved for token development, 2.5% reserved for financing, project marketing, 2.5% is reserved for charity wallet. And this is roadmap. Phase 1, regression passed, BSC scan contract verified, deserted audited passed, and Gulag launch, DEV wallet logged, coin sniper listing, first AMA at 200 holders, CMC listing, trust wallet, first community vote donation. Phase 1 marketing campaign, phase 2 community vote for exchange approach, phase 2 on marketing campaign, PR campaigning, web development, match and Gulag COD contents. Phase 3 kickstand DApp, API integration, initiate blockchain crowdfund integration, 50,000 holders milestone. Phase 3 of marketing campaign, explore major listing. If we talk about its future, and most of the coin are scam. If you want to invest in it, then invest only $1 or less in the beginning. If this coin perform good even after 1 month, you can invest in it, and this is my personal opinion. Be careful, invest in cryptocurrency at on risk. So now we will give you to tell what is the process of buying it, and we will download Trust Wallet app in our mobile phone, and we will open Trust Wallet. After that we will create account on Trust Wallet. And if you do not know how to create an account on Trust Wallet, you can watch our video, link in the description. After that we will add money in the Trust Wallet and we will click on buy button and select blockchain. We will select BNB and here we can add money in our Trust Wallet and we can add minimum $50 in our Trust Wallet. After add money, go to home page and we will click on DApp section. After that we will open PancakeSwap exchange and PancakeSwap exchange has been opened. After that we will connect this exchange to Trust Wallet and click on connect and click on Trust Wallet, and this exchange connected successfully from Trust Wallet. After that we will select slippage, click on this icon and here we can add slippage according to our token. After that we will click on select a currency and here we can search coin using name or coin address. After that we will select a token. After that we will enter number of coin, here as many as we want to buy. After that click on swap and click on confirm swap and click on accept button and finally click on confirm swap. So thanks for watching.